this video I am going to show you how to install Windows Server Backup with IIS in Server Manager. First of all, you need to click on Add Roles and Features, then Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation. We click Next, select the server from the server pool, this type of name. Then we go to Active Directory Certificate Services. Then we click on Next. In Features, we look for Windows Server Backup. We click on it, then we click Next. Just click on Install and we wait until the installation finished, and after that the Windows Server Backup installed in your Windows Server. As you can see, installation is in progress. As you can see, installation succeeded on this Windows Server. We click on Close, and now you have the Windows Server Backup on your Windows Server. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.